Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type C:, then hit enter. Now we need to type cd space C:/ and hit enter to execute. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space System32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy *** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command cd space C:/. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space C:/ /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now execute this command. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib space C:/ -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type ren space C:/ \boot \bcd space bcd.old. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.